Okay, I mostly got this working. The multimeter is set at the 200K range. As you can see, it's bobbling a bit around 70. On the bottom right, you'll see there's red jumpers. I'm going to pull those, and then it's going to move to the green jumpers, and then the black jumpers, and the yellow. So I'm going to try and do this. Hopefully, that doesn't just snap and fall out of place. All right, let's get the yellow ones first. Okay, and you can see it's about 56, 55. Okay, next one. And it has fallen to 40-ish, 39, 40-ish. All right, one more. Here we go. All right, last one looks like it's about 20. Okay, that's it.